Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. So for today's video, we're showing you guys this 12-inch portable monitor. You can use this with a PS4, Xbox, your phone, make it as a custom do-it-yourself monitor screen. So this is a very good brand. I've reviewed probably 10 plus products over the years from them, and I've always been very pleased with what you get. So without further ado, so guys, this is how it comes packaged. Nice, safe, and secure. I always love it. Their products are top notch and they package everything so nice and secure. All right, you got a cleaning cloth, and it looks like this is actually the first time that they've given a full page instructions here. So it actually goes over all the features, all the components. It tells you how to connect to different devices. That's awesome. So they provide you with a HDMI to mini HDMI cable, a Type-C to Type-C cable, a Type-C to USB cable. You got a desktop, looks like a monitor holder. So that is awesome. What do we got in here? And they give you the power adapter. So USB plug, and this goes right into your power, regular house plug port. As always, guys, check out this monitor. Look how thin that is. Nice, sleek design. Very nice. I love this. I love how, it's lightweight. It makes it so portable, so perfect for do-it-yourself projects. You got exit on the side. You got a headphone jack. You have speaker on the side there, speaker on the side there. You got all your power cables and connections on that side. On the back here, looks like they have mounting brackets, so if you want to customize it, you can. Let's go ahead and turn this on and see how it looks. All right, guys, your power is going to be your Type-C to USB. Go ahead and plug your USB into your adapter. We actually have one quickly set up over here. All right, guys, check it out. So the stand works perfect. Absolutely perfect. Really nice, guys. So far, so good. All right, guys, so for the screen, as you guys can see here, we have it all set up. Now we are going to use this for our laptop. We're going to actually mount this and set this all up in a cool area. But as you guys can see, it is crisp, it is clear, it works awesome. It is touchscreen, so if you connect this to a computer, it's instantly touchscreen. So I'm not kidding. Right here's our mouse. Check this out. Let's X this off. Oh no, we activate minus. So we got to get used to this. But yeah, it is all touchscreen. Is this not awesome or what? So yeah, I got to get used to the settings here. But yeah, it is all touchscreen. Overall, guys, so this works great for gaming systems and whatnot, but if you want to use it as a second screen, you guys definitely can do that. Highly recommend it, guys. The quality is crisp and clear, and it's simple. You just connect the Type-C right there, the HDMI there, connect the Type-C to your PC, the HDMI to your PC, boom, you're done. If you want to use it for a gaming gaming system, go ahead, just connect the HDMI to your gaming system, boom, you're done. It's that simple. Everything, it works great, guys. Always impressed, always impressed.